everybody. This is a Lamley showcase, and we're going iconic today. We're going with one of the most familiar brands in the world, that is Coca-Cola, and this is the brand new Coca-Cola set by M2 Machines. You're looking at 3 models, but I got a whole lot to show you. Check it out. All of these came from M2. These models are in store now. Coca-Cola and M2, you're going to see a lot of it. That's a big get for M2 to get the Coca-Cola license. And I have to say, they are doing it right. I've got all of these to show you. These are from the first series. We've seen haulers. We know there's a race car series coming, kind of a classic muscle race car series. But we need to work through these models first because you are seeing these in stores. You're seeing these at hobby dealers. Let me just walk through what you are looking at. I have my little pointer, my little dangerous pointer. There are 3 different versions of each model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 models in this set or subset, whichever you want to call it. You have the store exclusive models you're going to find in store like Walmart. I've seen those. You have the hobby exclusives. You can see right there it says hobby exclusive. I can point with the sharp side. Hobby exclusive, which is the same model, just kind of a different take on it. A lot of similarities. That is marked by this black and red kind of, what is that, Coke Zero look, or whatever they call it now. And then, of course, every one of these has a chase model. This particular one for the 1960 VW van, it's raw, and if you're familiar with M2, you know that it is the Super Chase. This one says limited edition, 250 pieces. Super Chase is what it is. There's some other chase models here. There are 2 Super Chases in here and 4 regular Chases. We will get to them very, very soon. But you want to collect all 3 versions, go to your local Walmart for one, go to your local hobby dealer. I use surplus goodies, but whatever hobby dealer you want to work with, you can get the hobby exclusive, and then the chase, you're either going to have to get lucky in the store, or you are going to have to maybe talk to a hobby dealer that got one. But the chase is going to be mixed in with hobby and with the regular one. I've already shown you the 1960 VW delivery van. I think this one is very, very cool. And one thing that I love about what M2 did with these is this isn't just a random car with a big Coca-Cola slapped on it. These actually look like real delivery vehicles. And that is what I love to see. Because if I'm going to collect models like this, I want them to look like real cars. I could see this VW back in 1960-61 hauling a bunch of Coca-Cola bottles to your local grocery store. And that is what makes me like these. There are certain lines from a lot of brands that I don't really get into because it's just a big logo on the side, just kind of deco. It doesn't really look realistic. These, well, I mean, a raw model, maybe not, but M2 Chases are super cool. You can see that the raw is based on, in this case, the store model. If we put these together, you can see that it's the red roof, it's the plain roof, plain sides, and then the logo on the door and on the side. And you can see that what the Chases will look like is they'll have these kind of satin red wheels and satin red trim, bumpers, headlights, everything else. I think there might, I don't know if there's even a window trim, there might be, but you can see that those are the differences there. That is the VW. Should we walk through all the rest of them? Yeah, we should, because we need to go very, very quickly. I will start with the store exclusives. Now, if you look at the packaging, this is very, very different from what you're used to in store, at least with M2. I think this is just something they wanted to do special. I love these blister packs. In fact, this has been tempting me not to open them because I love how these display. They still have the acrylic case that the cars come in. They're screwed in to the bottom. But I love that they can do extra logo space with the Coca-Cola on top, and then, of course, all of this on the back. I think that just looks really, really cool. All right, this is the 1949 Studebaker TR tow truck. This is the store version. Remember, red card, store version, black card, hobby version. I love the red rims. Again, looks just like what would be a delivery vehicle. Here's your hobby. You can see, I'll show you hobby exclusive right there in the corner. 4,800 of those. The regular store version's 9,600. So this one, they only, I guess I should put these together, right, so you can see the differences. There needs to be a chase. So this is a regular chase of the Studebaker. It's kind of hard to see with that sticker. I can try it. There we go. 750 pieces, limited edition. Based on the store exclusive, everything is the same with the exception of the red trim, red bumper, red rims, all of the rest of it. Looking very, very cool. Everything that they're doing with Coke. I know when the M2 guys told me they were doing Coke and they were super excited about it, and I said, yeah, I can get into this too. All right, next one. 1965 Ford Econoline delivery van. You can see all of the coolness here. White roof. I don't think there's any particular rhyme or reason, because here is the hobby version. On the VW, this one loves what the hobby version looked like, the red roof on the store version. You can see that they also have different old, like, classic Coke logos on the card. Again, more reason why I don't want to open these, but I'm Lamley, I gotta open them, and I bet the M2 guys are like, yeah, show off how cool these models are, so we'll get to that. And Chase, of course. 1957 Chevrolet Sedan delivery. I love this wagon. I have one in black. I think there's one in blue in stores right now. Drink Coca-Cola. There is the logo. I think everyone has a different logo in the background. Different ad from back in the day. Coke logo on the back, on the sides. This could maybe be like, it could be a delivery wagon. It could also be like the repairman for the vending machines or something like that back in the 1950s. Hobby exclusive, this time with the white. I think I like the hobby even better because I love the white trim on that one. Here is the Chase, based on the store version, right? Yeah, all red with the red trim. All those others were $750, but we're going to get to another Super Chase right now. This is the 1970 Chevrolet C60 truck. This is a monster. I think we saw this one debuted in kind of this orange look with a standard pickup bed. Now here we see it as a stake truck. I don't think we've seen it as a stake truck before. Put those big pallets of bottles in the back and haul this to your local grocery store. How awesome is this? And this is heavy. Super, super heavy. Check out the hobby. There's your black decor. It's the real thing, right? And then black rims on this one, white stakes. Oh, look at that. I didn't even notice Coca-Cola on the mud flaps in the back. 250 pieces. You can find this in stores. This is the Super Chase. Two Super Chases, the VW and this one. So again, that brushed raw look, red stakes like the store version, red rims, kind of the metallic satin rims. Very Christmassy. It reminds me of the Christmas cans of Coke. Last one, 1956 Ford F100 tow truck. It says tow truck, there ain't nothing for it to tow. Again, maybe this is the repairman's vehicle. Red rims, the white hubcaps, the white hubs. There's the engine. Now all red with black rims. Say, I like that one a ton. I am going to open these. The more I look at these, the more I'm like, yeah, they have. First off, I have to. They send them to me. I think they want me to show off the models. I need to do it. You can see I'm just talking myself. I just think the packaging is so nice. And then the 1956 Ford F100 Chase. There you go. You guys tell me, which one do you like the best? Which one do you want to see me open? You want to see me open this one? Why don't we? There you go. One of 250. Whew. My job is to open. There you go. All right, we're going to do a part 2 on this one. I'm going to open all of these up, and I'm definitely going to take some pictures of these all together with their Chase counterparts and their regular store counterparts and their hobby counterparts, because these things are awesome. Tell me which ones you like. Tell me which ones you want to see featured. We'll be doing a lot of them. Thanks, everybody. Bye.